This is Carmel Center, the first Somali shopping mall in the United States. 6 years ago, the mall opened in a sprawling two-story building in a Somali neighborhood in Minneapolis. Dozens of merchants in small shops sell everything from home decorations to beauty products, to clothing from Somalia and goods from other countries. Many were merchants back home and started their own business here because they could not find work.
This one is underneath this one. We don't want to be naked.
Busad Kere sells traditional Somali clothing along with the latest American styles. She and her business partner, Asha Hibad, only opened their store 6 months ago. They say local Somalians are slowly hearing about their store.
But we have our own friends and relatives and family, both sides. That's why where we are getting all our customers. Yeah.
22-year-old customer Deka Abdi came to the United States when she was 7 years old. Although she considers herself a typical American, she values Somalian culture and says she occasionally wears a traditional headscarf.
Mostly when I'm having a bad hair day, I'll be honest, but but I wear it, when I'm going to like the mosque to go pray, to make our prayers. I'm going there when I'm going to go visit some of my family members who like me to have my hair covered for respect.
The mall is also a place to relax, gossip, and trade job tips. Some people reconnect with family and friends they may not have seen since they left Somalia. Others make their way to a Muslim prayer room. Nearby is a computer business that teaches computer skills and provides internet access. Owner Mahmoud Isa says many Somalis want to know what is happening in Somalia.
They check all the Somali websites on the news from back home, and they email, they in touch with the families and friends.
At least 25,000 Somalians live in Minnesota. At this shop, they can find Somali music and movies. Customer Ahmed Kadia says this mystery thriller made in the United States has a deeper meaning about the changing role of many Somali women.
They are showing that they have a power in the United States of America and that they can go ahead and pass around the man.
People also come to Carmel Mall to find items like handicraft traditional Somali furniture. Zeki Ismail says his benches are also popular with people who are not Somali because they are beautiful and practical.
They are easy to move when they are moving from house to house, and it's easy to carry.
He says he has found a home in Minneapolis among the Somali community, a place where he feels comfortable and can make a modest living. Deborah Block, VOA News, Minneapolis.